What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we sold off, quote unquote, but really nothing really happened today. I mean, honestly, we're just low volume sell off into the ADMA, so continuing to build out this now new balance zone up here, right? So is this going to be something like we had on this little stretch of trading where we did kind of the same thing, right? You guys can see some of this happening. You guys can see it happening here again, and then it happened actually right here, right? So are we just doing the same thing and the same song and dance again? It looks like it. Okay, it looks like it. So just play the chart, not your heart. Oop, I don't know. You're a knucklehead. Anyway, guys, let's go to the economic calendar on investing.com. As we can see, we need to look for tomorrow's data. We do have a little bit of data in after the open, excuse me. Right here at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes after the market opens, we have JOLTS data, total vehicle sales, and it looks like factory orders or something. I don't know. Anyway, little bit of data there, but we will want to pay attention to the following day on Wednesday here. Oh, lots of knuckleheads speaking, but Jerome Powell does speak on Wednesday, 12:10 p.m. Market, get it, love it. Okay. Let's go to the ES chart here now, to the 4-hour, because I think the 4-hour looks the cleanest. Let's zoom this in just a smidge. Now you guys can see. I'm going to keep these because it kind of looks nice. Tomorrow, what's on tap for tomorrow? Now that we see these little zones we've been trading in, we can take these off though. 52.72, even as low as 52.52. 52.53, whatever this level is here. 52.72, 52.73, maybe even a little bit in between the two, right? So I wouldn't even mind seeing something like what is happening, TOS? Wow, that was something dip into this range right here, and we can get long and strong because that has been the trend. Okay, that has been the trend. You don't just want to buy puts because you have one red day, right? Most times that we actually close at the lows, we end up gapping up, close at the lows, gap up, close at the lows, gap up. So do we get that tomorrow? It's very possible. Got to take out 53.33 to the upside if we want that same thing. But if we do come down, have a second day down tomorrow, I'll be looking to be a buyer in this range all the way down here. Or if we can take out 53.33 to the upside. And Q looking a little bit stronger than ES today, absolutely. Really just balancing out, continuing to balance out, right? And you can see this is still just kind of looking like a flag here. I mean, really. So 18,370, probably the lowest I want to go. But again, holding this 18,450, 18,450, right? This little range in here. I mean, really, we should draw it like this, because we're seeming to hold this on. Buyers are responding very well in this area right here. So as long as we stay above 18,372, I will be looking to see where buyers step in and we can become buyers as well. Look for the upside to trade there, or we take out 18,600 to the upside. You guys can see multiple tops in this area up here would open up new all-time highs. From there, let's go to the SPY chart here now. Still looking to be a dip buyer, but if 521 does break, you can look for the short trade. That is a high risk trade, so please trade it, or please treat it accordingly. But I'd be looking at 517 to 518 to be a buyer. Look for the dip to buy there. That would be great. If we hold 521, great. Look for the retest at 524 on SPY. Let's go to QQQ. Same thing, still kind of holding. Had a little rip above here on QQQ in the pre-market, but ultimately came right back into this range. 443 to 444 is still going to be that range that we want to hold. 443, 443, 443. If we hold any dips into this, that's great. Let's look to get long and strong. If not, we got to take out 447 to the upside. That's where we're having trouble. 447.50. Having trouble there. So we either hold this, look for longs, or we can take out 447.50 to the upside to continue. If not, we're just going to keep moving sideways and pissing everybody off. IWM, not quite the fall. I don't know what's happening. IWM. IWM, let's take a look here. We can see no follow through, but 212.25, 212.50, it's going to be a major, and I mean major. You guys got to zoom out and see how major that area is. Major. I mean, look how long. We have been trading almost a year in this. I'm sorry. It's been over a year, almost 2 years. I mean, look at this thing. This was what? March of 2022. And it is March of 2022 now. It's April 2022. We're still in this range. 2 years. We have been in this zone. So that's going to take some work to get up and over that area. But nonetheless, the trend is absolutely up there. You can see a very low volume pullback here. Nothing should be of cause for concern. You can even throw a little fibby dibby hibby on this thing and see. Just from this recent pullback and up, we're getting down to this zone. But like I said, 206, have some confluence down here, golden zone. You guys can see 206 can be my level. I think if we hold that area on any dips tomorrow, we can look to get long and strong from there. Long and strong, baby. 206, 206, 206, 206, 203 is a big level underneath. Or if we can stay above, open up above 209 and, excuse me, hold it on the open, then I would look to get long there. Other than that, guys, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.